India is going to be ahead in the AI race because I think most parts of the world are looking at AI with a lot of suspicion. They don't trust technology. They're worried about what it's going to do. But I think because Indians have had a positive experience with technology, we are the second largest market for almost every major AI company in the world today. We have the highest adoption of voice-based commerce, voice-based AI.
If I may ask you, you're the face of entrepreneurship over here in India. What's your thought and then takeaways as a founder or CEO regarding that?
Yeah, I think the biggest takeaway is that there is a lot of excitement and positivity about the opportunities with AI in India. I mean, the scale at which this event has been organized, the kind of speakers we got from almost every part of the world, the kind of conversations that have happened, I think it's just given me the confidence that India is going to be ahead in the AI race because I think most parts of the world are looking at AI with a lot of suspicion. They don't trust technology. They're worried about what it's going to do. But I think because Indians have had a positive experience with technology, we've seen how UPI changed our life, how Aadhaar changed our life, how most of the tech changes in the last 10 years have really made our life easier, simpler, faster. I think there's a lot of positivity around technology, and same is happening with AI right now. We are the second largest market for almost every major AI company in the world today. We have the highest adoption of voice-based commerce, voice-based AI. I think we're seeing massive ways in which Indian consumers are consuming AI. We heard the announcement from Sam, from Dario, from all the global speakers that India is their fastest growing market. I think all of that gives me the positivity that India is going to be ahead in the AI race, and we are prepared for it.
How much the Railway will be focusing more on AI and any plans in that regard going forward?
Yeah, so we have been an early pioneer in the AI race. We have been spending a lot of time in figuring out what does it mean. I think the biggest advantage, like besides the internal tooling and everything that we have changed massively using AI, our entire internal systems are now running on AI. But the most exciting product-facing aspect that I see is the advantage of agentic commerce. We did a pilot with NPCI and OpenAI 6 months back. We did another launch yesterday with Claude to enable agentic commerce in India, where we feel that a small town, somebody in a small town who's not comfortable with using apps, who's not comfortable with English, can now open the agentic chatbot, ask something in Hindi, ask something in their local language, and ask you to place an order for them, and it can buy stuff and deliver it for you without going to an app, without downloading any new app. I think that's a massive advantage. And I think like India took a leap with UPI and shown the world how real-time payments are supposed to be built, I think same thing is going to happen with agentic commerce.
Last question, of course, on the debate, the growing debate of job cut versus AI. What is your stand regarding that? Do you believe it will have an impact, or it will also open new avenues?
I think at every tech change, when it happens, people get worried about current set of jobs. Yes, current set of jobs are going to change, fundamentally so. But the new set of jobs are going to be massively different, and it's really hard to imagine when you're going through the change. For example, if 10 years back somebody had told me that there'll be a job like a content creator, there'll be a job like YouTuber, I don't think we would have ever believed them, right? But today those jobs are here. A lot of old school jobs, like let's say somebody's like a lift man or like a lot of those secretarial jobs have died away. But there are better jobs today, which earn a lot more, which use the human creativity a lot better. I think same thing is going to happen with AI. We'll have a completely new form of jobs. I can't imagine them today. You can't imagine them today, but there's going to be there. As the new ecosystem comes in, there'll be a need for human intelligence and human creativity in some shape or form.